So dear students, now we come back on our next topic, conduction. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is conduction. Conduction, it is a type of process in which heat is transferred. Okay, कंडक्शन होता क्या है? कंडक्शन इसको हिंदी में सुमहन कहते हैं। जैसे ए प्रोसेस इन विच हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड। ए प्रोसेस एक ऐसी प्रोसेस इन विच हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड जिसमें हीट ट्रांसफर हो जाती है फ्रॉम वन एंड टू अदर एंड, एक हिस्से से दूसरे हिस्से की तरफ या एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे या एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे पर। उस प्रोसेस को कंडक्शन बोला जाता है। इट अकर्स in solids only. Yes, that is the main point. That is the main point, students. It occurs in solids only. जो आपकी कंडक्शन होती है बेटा, वो आपकी सिर्फ सॉलिड्स में होती है। तो आपके मन में सवाल उठ रहा होगा, this question is already been arising in your mind, that so what about in case of liquid and gas? Yes, so in liquid and gas the heat is transferred by convection, and in radiation it don't need any medium. If the medium present, if solid, liquid and gas is present, so in the radiation process it can be transferred. If they are not present, then it can also be transferred. Okay, but we will discuss about convection and radiation as I have already told you in our next video. So have a look again on it. Okay, what is conduction? Again, conduction, it is a process. It is a process in which heat is transferred from one end to other end. एक इस तरह की प्रक्रिया जिसमें जो ऊष्मा होती है, जो गर्मी होती है, वो एक हिस्से से दूसरे हिस्से की तरफ चली जाती है, उसको कंडक्शन कहा जाता है। इट अकर्स इन सॉलिड्स ओनली। यह सिर्फ सॉलिड्स चीजों में ही होती है। सॉलिड्स में जो चीजें ठोस हैं, मजबूत हैं, हार्ड हैं, उन्हीं के अंदर आपकी सॉलिड्स होती हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप मैंने आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन 2 एग्जाम्पल्स, बट देर आर सो मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स, देर आर सो मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स, एंड यू एवरी डे सी इन योर सराउंडिंग conduction process at your home. You have already done conduction process by your own hands. So first of all, spoon in hot cup of tea. Let's think you have prepared tea. मान लो आपने चाय बनाई है, and you are giving the tea cup to your mother or your father, and your father ask you that why did you not add proper amount of sugar in the tea? So then he ask you that please bring sugar, I will mix it. So then if we mix the sugar in the hot cup of tea and we put the spoon in the hot cup of tea, so after some time we will see that the end of the hot spoon will also become hot. Why? Because the heat that was already present in the tea prepared at your home by you or any member of your family is transferred to the spoon. अब spoon है क्या? Spoon is solid. Spoon is solid. Second example is heating of wire. Heating of wire. Whenever you run any electric equipment, electric device, so why does it get heat? It get heat because of a conduction process. Conduction process के कारण वो चीज हीट हो जाती है। ठीक है? So I hope students in this video you understood about the heat and how does it transfer, 2 types of temperature, 2 types of thermometer and 3 types of scale. So dear students, watch this video again and again. If you have any type of confusion, so you can put your questions in the comment box. Okay, I will check all your question and then I will reply. So that's all for today. Bye bye, take care and have a nice day.